Okay, so this is probably not what anyone is thinking, that I'm going to say hard work, perseverance, focus, dedication, don't procrastinate, get stuff done, go to work. Because all those things are important, but this is totally weird for most people. I think there's two things. Number one, I think a lot of it is God given, universe given, just it's in my DNA. And I think some people are blessed with that, and just have it. And I've been kind of entrepreneurial since I was like 8 years old. I remember I used to buy these little horse stickers for 5 cents. I'd sell them at school for 25 cents. Then I started mowing lawns. I was doing baseball card shows when I was 12 years old, buying a table for 50 bucks. I'd sell $1,000 worth of baseball cards in a weekend. And had a stash of cash in my underwear drawer when I was 12 years old. So I've just always kind of been entrepreneurial. I don't know where it came from, why, what drives it, where the focus is. I had this conversation with my wife because I think about these things, and I got so many. It's a blessing and a curse at the same time, because all these ideas pop into my head all the time. Like, I mean, if Live Good wasn't here or something else wasn't here, I wanted to I could launch like 100 different companies just from all the ideas that are in my head. And I don't like saying no to great ideas, because I don't know. I just believe there's some weird stuff. I believe the universe gives you ideas, and if you act on them, you get more. And just like being grateful and thankful for what you are, where you are, what you have, even if it's very little to nothing. I mean, when I was 22 years old, I filed bankruptcy. I was getting into network marketing. I thought I was going to be a millionaire in 6 months. Like everyone, didn't happen like that. Racked up $40,000 in credit card debt, which, at that time was a lot of money, especially when you have like $100 a month worth of income coming in. But it was a great lesson, and I was very thankful for where I was at the time. I was always learning, always trying to improve myself. And so, yeah, that's a long answer that didn't really say anything, but I think so. Part of it is just DNA. I believe. I truly believe that. For people who don't have it, that doesn't mean you can't have success. I absolutely think you can. You just have to learn. You have to focus. You have to educate yourself a lot more, and you have to be diligent, and you have to, a lot of people have different levels of risk tolerance, and what's the word I'm looking for? Get comfort zones, and you've got to get out of your comfort zone. You've got to get comfortable being uncomfortable. In fact, my jujitsu instructor says that you got to get comfortable being in uncomfortable situations. I mean, if someone's laying on your face